Welcome to this video. Here we are going to talk about one question called bacteria colony. Let's see what the question is. So in a question, you are given n bacterias and the size of the bacteria are A of I, and there are m bacteria which are appointed as leader, and the rest of the bacteria will join their colonies, right? So how they will join the colony? So for which the difference between the size of the leader and the size of the bacteria joining the colony is minimum. For those, it will be joining, right? And if somehow the size difference is same, so it will be joining the larger, or you can say the bigger one, right? Okay. So we have to tell us what will be the size of the colony after formation of colony, right? So let's see the question again. So let's see the inputs. So let's say we are given 6, 2, and here we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? So here there are two leaders. So 5 and 1 are leader, and 2, 3, 4, 6 are inputs, right? The normal bacteria. So where the 2 will join? 2 will join 1 because it is closer, right? So I can say it will be having 1, it will be having size 2, right? If I'll include 1 and 2. So the total size till now is 2. Now, to whom 3 will join? 3 will join 5 because the difference is same. Size difference with 1 is also 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is also 2. Size is same. Size difference is same, right? But it will join bigger one, the second condition, right? So the size here also will be 2. Again 4. 4 will be joined by 5 again. So size here will be 3. 6 will again be joined by 5. So the answer will be 4 2. First colony size will be 4 and the second colony size will be 2. And see, this is the output. Now let's think of a solution, right? First try to understand the brute force solution, right? So I think the brute force solution is very simple. What we will be doing, we will see 2 and we will check, hey, should 2 go to this? So we'll calculate the difference. So difference is, let's say, 3, right? And here the difference is 1, right? So it should go to this. So I'll increment the colony size for this. Again, I'll go to 3, check which to go, right? So here the difference is 2, here also the difference is 2. This is bigger, so it will go this way. Again, going to 4, 4 must go here, and 6 must also go here. So 4, 1. So this is a brute force solution, right? So the complexity for this will be, I'll be iterating through this array, which is n, and every time I'll be iterating through m to find out the answer. So so the complexity here is n into m, right? Now n into m will not work here, right? Because n can be 10 to the power 5 and m can also range between 1 to n, right? So both can be 10 to the power 5. So 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5, this will never lead to us a solution. So what should we do? So we have to think some optimization, right? So how we can think optimization here? So let's say we have the same thing, which is 5, 1, and here we have 2, 3, 4, 6. First, let's sort it. See, this is a leader array, and this is a normal bacteria array, right? How we can solve it? So first, sort this out, right? But you will be having some problem. Hey, but our the sequence will be lost, right? And sequence is important because we have to make the colony. We have to define the size of the colony. So I'm saying make one copy of it, right? So and I'll make one copy. I'll say leader copy, right? And I'll sort it. So it will become 1 and 5. One thing again, a good point here is key, there are only unique values, right? So just remember this. I'll be going to use it. Now, think about it. If you think about 2, see, 2 is lying between 1 and 5. Do we agree? 2 is lying here. So whatever, if there will be having some number 7, 9, 11, or maybe something -1, -3. So only 1 and 5 has the minimum difference. If you go leftward, if you go left side, the difference will increase, right? Difference will increase. And if you go right of the 5 also, difference will increase. So I know for 2, the answer will lie between 1 and 5 only. So I can just check, hey, whichever is less, I'll point it out to that one. Similarly, 3 is again lying between it, right? Again we can check where we should put it, which colony it should use, right? But it will be only between 1 and 5, right? Because again, if we'll go right side, 7, 9, 11, here also the difference will increase, and on the left side as well the difference will increase, right? Now if we'll go to 6, now let's say there is no element here. So here we can see that since there is no element, the minimum difference is going to be 5, right? So what I can do, I can just put some maximum here, right? Some max here. Let's say 10 to the power 10, maybe something like that. So the number that can never be reached, right? So here, let's try to do it with another thing. So let's say we have a bacteria is 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Let's say these are the bacteria, and we have some leaders, and the leader are 2, 4, and 8, right? Now if you see, so first we have 1, or first let's say we have this leader and we have 1. Where should we put 1? See, 1 will lie here, right? Do we agree? Now since again we are on the first, there cannot be on the right side after it, there cannot be no element with difference smaller than this difference, right? So I can say that the 1 will only can join the colony of this 2, right? Again, we'll move to 3. Now see, 3 will lie here, right? Again, if anything will be there on the left side, it will be greater. The difference will be greater than 2 and 3. And if something will be there on the right side, the difference will be greater than 4 and 3, right? So let's see. So the difference is same. So it will join the colony of 4. Let's say we have 5, right? So 5 is coming between 4 and 8, right? See, again, 2 cannot be the answer, right? So are you getting the point? Key, the answer of any bacteria will lie between its small or between the leader, which is small, and just large, right? So again, this will be getting added here in the colony of 4. If we'll talk about 6, it will be getting added here. If we'll go to 8, it will be getting here, and 9 will also get plus 1. So the answer will be C. 1 is already there, so it will be 2. 1 is already there, plus 2, 3. 1 is already there, and I think we added 6, 7, 9, and 10. So these are what? These are 5. So the answer will be 2, 3, 5. I hope you understand. What we have to do, we have to just check if let's say we have 6, so we have to check what are the leader on the left side and what is the leader on the right side. So based on that, we can take the decision and put it wherever the distance is or difference is less, right? So let's code this up, right?